Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Harry. In the last video, I have a conclusion. Use a flat material like aluminum or stainless steel sheet. Use wood glue in low concentration. Spray coating and gently wash. This will help you solve the adhesion problem. In fact, I'm not sure it will work on PETG or not. Since I just use PLA as a test. Today, I tried PETG as well since my PLA stock is run out. The printing setting is like this. The printing temperature is 220 degrees centigrade, and the printing bed temperature is 80 degrees. But it looks not good, since the PETG is not sticking at the bed. It seems that PETG is not as easy to stick to the bed as PLA. Change to another printer bed is boring. Adjust the Z-axis height even make it worse. You know that wood glue is water soluble. It is easy to clean the bed if something goes wrong. So, I directly sprayed wood glue at the bed. The heating bed evaporates the solution and have a very flat surface. Okay, printing. It works very well. So, the process can be simplified. You don't need to wash the board using water, since the wood glue already diluted. Just spray the board using wood glue. Of course, low concentration, in my case, 2%. The heating bed will automatically dry out. Look at the surface. It is really flat and homogeneous. Also, you do not need to add another flat bed. Just spray directly onto the printing bed. Then printing. Well done! One spray you can use for several times. I have not tried the ABS or other materials. It may not different from PLA and PETG, I think. Hope it will solve the adhesion problem forever. Hope you will have a nice day. Keep safe these days. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the updates. TubeU channel is waiting for you.